दिल्ली के अशोक विहार के प्रेसिडियम स्कूल में तकनीकी के उचित उपयोग पर आयोजित एक सेमिनार में केंद्रीय मंत्री कपिल सिब्बल ने शिरकत की। इस सेमिनार में कपिल सिब्बल ने बच्चों को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि जैसे मेरे हर काम टैबलेट से होते हैं, वैसे ही आने वाले समय में बच्चे भी अपनी सारी पढ़ाई टैबलेट की मदद से कर सकेंगे।
This, for example, iPad that I have, it's a mini pad. I always use it. When I use this mini pad, supposing I were to learn a lesson in history, because in times to come, kids, you will not be carrying any bags to school. All your textbooks will be on the Akash. It will be embedded in the Akash. Okay, so no carrying of books, no carrying of pens and paper, because you can work on your iPad.
कपिल सिब्बल ने ये भी कहा कि आने वाले वक्त में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में क्रांतिकारी बदलाव होंगे।
I am going to connect 250,000 gram panchayats in this country with fiber optics. What does that mean? You will have, and this we're doing it with a cost of about 20,000 crores. That money has already been given to me. We are at the moment implementing, and by 2015 all this will be, the fiber optic highway will be laid. It's a limitless highway. Unlike your Noida traffic where you get jammed up even if you have a 6-lane highway, this is a limitless highway. So all your educational material will flow from any part of the country to anywhere else. So if a child sitting here wants a lesson in maths from a teacher who is sitting in Madras, he can through the Akash get that lesson because he thinks the teacher in Madras is better than the teacher in Delhi. This is the kind of revolutionary things we are doing in the education sector.
इस अवसर पे कपिल सिब्बल ने बच्चों और उनके अभिभावकों के सवाल के जवाब भी दिए।